Welcome to Stoic Stream, where we explore human nature, relationships, and the wisdom of Stoicism in everyday life. Have you ever wondered if there's a subtle way women express their desire for intimacy? The truth is, they don't always come right out and say it, but there are certain words, phrases, and signals that reveal what they truly want. In this video, we'll break down the key signs and the exact words women use when they're ready to take things to the next level. Stay tuned, because understanding this can change the way you see attraction forever. Let's dive in. Phrase number 1. You're different from other guys. When a woman says this, it's more than just a casual compliment. She's signaling that you stand out in a way that excites her. There's often a hint of curiosity or admiration in her voice. This comment highlights your uniqueness compared to others she's met. It's not about being better than other men, but about how you've sparked something special in her, whether it's your kindness, your humor, or the way you make her feel. By emphasizing your unique qualities, she's hinting that she sees you in a different, more exciting light than just a friend. This is her way of saying she's intrigued by you and open to exploring where things could lead. Pay attention, it's more than just flattery, it's genuine interest. Phrase number 2. I feel like I can be myself around you. This phrase is a powerful indicator of trust and comfort. When a woman tells you she feels like she can be her true self around you, it means you've created a safe space for her both emotionally and mentally. This doesn't happen overnight. It's a sign she feels accepted, valued, and understood. For many women, feeling safe is crucial for developing intimacy. By expressing this, she's letting you know she's willing to let her guard down, a vulnerable but important step toward building a deeper connection. When someone feels comfortable being themselves, it paves the way for authenticity in the relationship. This isn't just about physical intimacy, it's about emotional closeness, which often leads to something much more meaningful. Phrase number 3. We should hang out somewhere more private. When she suggests spending time together in a quieter, more intimate setting, she's sending a clear signal that she wants to focus on you without distractions. This could mean suggesting a movie night at home, a quiet walk in the park, or finding a cozy cafe where you can have uninterrupted conversation. It's not just about the location, but the intention behind it. By steering the situation toward a more private environment, she's showing that she values your time together and wants to connect with you on a deeper level. This also signals trust, as being alone with someone requires a certain level of comfort and openness. When she suggests this, it's a green light to show her you're equally interested in spending quality time together. 4. I trust you. Phrase number 4, trust is the foundation of any intimate connection, and when she openly tells you that she trusts you, it's a significant step forward. This phrase is her way of saying she feels safe in your presence, emotionally, mentally, and even physically. Trust doesn't come easily for most people. So when a woman shares this with you, it's a big deal. When she says she trusts you, she's signaling that she's comfortable letting her guard down. This creates a foundation for building something deeper. Whether it's an emotional bond or a more intimate relationship, responding with understanding and sincerity is crucial, because trust once given should never be taken for granted. 5. You smell really. Phrase number 5. Good compliments about your scent may seem small or even superficial, but they're often a subtle yet powerful sign of attraction. Scent is one of the most primal ways humans connect with one another. When she notices and appreciates how you smell, she's likely drawn to you on a physical level. This kind of compliment is her way of expressing that she enjoys being close to you, even if she doesn't say it outright. It's not just about your cologne or body wash. It's about how your presence makes her feel. Take this as a positive indicator that she's paying attention to the little things about you and enjoys your company in a more sensory and intimate way. 6. I've never told anyone this phrase. Number 6. Before sharing a personal or vulnerable story is a big step for many women. When she opens up and tells you something she's never shared with anyone else, she's signaling that she feels a unique connection with you. This is her way of inviting you into her inner world and showing that she trusts you with her feelings and experiences, revealing something. PR. It is an act of vulnerability, and it's a clear sign that she's comfortable with you on a deeper level by listening and responding with care. You can strengthen this bond and show her that her trust is well placed. Moments like these lay the groundwork for a relationship built on mutual understanding and intimacy. 7. What phrase? Number 7. Would you do if I kissed you? This playful and bold question is often used as a way to test the waters by framing it as a hypothetical scenario. She's gauging your reaction without putting herself in a position of complete vulnerability. It's her way of expressing curiosity about your feelings and testing if you're on the same page. This statement might seem light-hearted, but it's actually a significant indicator of attraction. It's her way of signaling interest while giving herself an out. If she feels uncertain about how you'll respond, how you handle this moment can make all the difference in moving the relationship forward. 8. I feel the phrase. Number 8. Connection with you that I can't explain. When a woman shares this sentiment, she's acknowledging something deeper, a bond that feels unique and special. This phrase often implies an emotional connection that goes beyond surface-level attraction. It's her way of saying there's something about you that draws her in, even if she can't fully articulate it. This kind of connection is rare, and when she expresses it, it's a sign that she's open to exploring what it means. It's not just about chemistry. It's about a deeper compatibility that has the potential to grow into something meaningful. Recognizing and valuing this connection can help you both build a stronger bond. Have you ever heard any of these phrases before? If so, it's time to start paying attention to the subtle signals women give when they're interested in deepening their connection with you. By recognizing these cues and responding thoughtfully, you can foster more meaningful and intimate relationships. Share your experiences in the comments below. What's the most surprising or memorable thing someone has said to you that revealed their interest? Let's talk about it.